Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way to design a sticker sheet. I'm going to make this step super simple. If you guys want anything more in depth, please comment and I can answer your questions. But overall, it really is not a hard process and I don't want to make it hard for you. So keep watching and we're going to learn how to make a sticker sheet from Procreate to Cricut. So you're going to want to set up your file so that it is a 4x6 or something similar. But what's really important is the DPI. So your DPI should not be any less than 300. The bigger your DPI, the better. But if you can get at least 300, that's best. And then once you are in your canvas, go ahead and sketch out your design. I already have a sketch here, so I'm just showing you what that looks like. Once you sketch things out, you can go in and move things around so that they make sense and they fill up the entire space. Add more stickers if you want to, and then bring the opacity down. Once you have the opacity down, you can go ahead and outline your stickers, or however you draw your stickers. Go ahead and do that now. I'm just showing you a little bit of how I do it. I'll show you the finished in a second. Okay, so here's our finished sticker sheet. So I'm going to put the background on, and then you need to make the outline of your sticker. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this in white. Go around it completely and do it with a pen that has pretty straight outlines. Like, I don't think you should be doing this with a pen like a dry brush or anything. So a monoline works really well, or anything that has sort of that very straight and precise line to go around it, because that's how your Cricut or your other machine is going to cut it out. So here we are, everything is outlined. Go ahead and write whatever you want at the top, art by blah blah blah, or whatever your business name is. Make sure it is on a separate layer, so the background and your name should be on a separate layer than the stickers, which I'm doing right now. The reason that we want our stickers and the back of the sticker sheet to be on separate layers is because the Cricut or your machine is going to cut it separately, and it's going to cut it differently. So I'll show you once you get to your Cricut Studio. I'm going to use Cricut just because that's what I use. Go to a new project, go to stickers and labels, or you can just do custom. It doesn't really matter at this point what you're choosing. Go to upload image and upload each one of your images separately. So upload the background separately from the stickers. If this happens where you upload and your stickers are, and Cricut gives your stickers a complete white background, that's not what we want, right? We don't want the whole thing to peel up. What happens is something is turned on. So click into that. Off to the left, you'll notice that there's a border. You don't want that. So click your edit, go to the border and click it off, and that will show you where your actual sticker outlines are. So don't make that mistake. Size it however you want onto your background of your sticker sheet. Make sure they are the size that you need, and then rotate it however you want to print these out. But what you're going to want to do is that background sticker, you're going to want to duplicate it. I've learned from a couple different artists, specifically Julianne Doodles, that you can do this 4 times. But when I did it, it still didn't cut properly. So I would say do it as many times as you want, so that what happens is the Cricut goes over it over and over and over again instead of just once, and that will make sure that it cuts it out. So definitely for your Cricut machine, test that out and see how many times you want to duplicate that background layer so it cuts it out completely. If you want to do 2 on 1, that works best because then you get 2. So copy and paste those. Okay, and then you'll go into make. It'll ask you to save it, so just save it out however. And then it'll bring you to the Cricut making part where you would print it and then cut. You definitely want to do the print then cut because you want your printer to print it so that Cricut already understands the way it's laid out. You do not want to print it separately because it's not going to make sense that way and Cricut's not going to understand where to cut. And that's it. And then go ahead and print your stickers and make sure that you cut them and test them out. And if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.